Okay, hi, my name is Adam Hamlin. I recently joined the School of Science and Technology at the University of New England around 18 months ago as a senior lecturer in the Biomedical Sciences program, where I teach all of the neuroscience topics. So whether that be in your first year physiology subjects or in the second year, I teach the neuropathology. And then beginning in 2016, we have a major in neuroscience with a range of new third-year subjects looking at neurobiology and neuroanatomy and systems neuroscience. So a bit about my background. I did my PhD at the University of Sydney, where I was based out at the Pain Management Research Institute at the North Shore Hospital, where I was investigating the effects of morphine with regards to sensitisation, addiction and tolerance. Following my PhD, I moved to the School of Psychology at the University of New South Wales, where I really began to become interested in what are the neurons and what are the pathways that are involved in renewal of drug-seeking behaviour. So which parts of the brains are controlling that motivation to seek drugs. Following my first postdoc at UNSW, I moved to the Queensland Brain Institute at the University of Queensland, where I was an NH&MRC fellow investigating the role of the basal forebrain in the early development of Alzheimer's disease. And what this research was really looking at was why this particular area of the brain degenerated so early in the disease and what was the behavioural consequences of the loss of the basal forebrain. So what my research really focuses on is understanding what are the neurons and what are the brain areas that we can find these neurons and what are their connections, who are they talking to, and also the neurochemistry that's underlying particular behaviours. So since joining the University of New England, I've changed the focus of my research a little bit to be now investigating, so what are the neurons and what are these pathways that are involved in some of the key mental illnesses such as depression, anxiety and autism spectrum disorder. And to be able to do this, I do in my laboratory preclinical studies. So we use rodent models of these diseases. So one particular research that is ongoing at present is looking at the role of a sensory motor therapy, where the rat is exposed to high levels of sensory and motor therapies following early life trauma. So it's well established in humans that early life experiences are extremely important to the development of the brain.